Steps to write a book report like a professional. A book report is a clear summary of a literary work, comprising of 250 to 500 words. Here are the main steps to follow for writing a book report. Pre-write. Before writing a book report, follow these steps. Choose a book and collect basin. Track the main characters, actions, key events, and settings. Choose quotes to be included in your paper. Organize your notes well by including headings. Include books, author, genre, and other significant publication information. Body of the book report. Include a sub-character sketch and the plot structure. Personal evaluation and conclusion. Give credit on the strengths and weaknesses of the book. Comprising, editing, and publishing. Provide, edit, and publish the book report after correcting all errors. Hire experts to write one for you. We have a team of writers available 24/7. Visit us now at www.homeworkminutes.com.